who doesn't want to make more money? There are 4 steps to making more money, and step number 1 is to spend less money, so you have more money at the end of the month. Step 2 is to increase your salary. Step 3 is to reduce your taxes, and step 4 is to increase your assets. Today we're going to focus on step number 1, spending less money. And there's 4 steps to spending less money. Step number 1 is to track your expenses. If you don't know where your money's going out, or what you're spending it on, you have no clue how you can optimize your spending. What I want you to do is track your expenses for 1 full month and go back 1 full month to see where you have spent money. So between those 2 months, you'll have a comprehensive view. I personally love Excel, but I know a lot of people don't like Excel. So Mint.com is an easy way to track your money. You link your bank accounts to it and it automatically tracks for you your income and expenses, puts it in a category, and you can change those categories if it got it wrong. Step 2 is to sort your expenses at the end of that month. And there's 3 categories that you're gonna sort your expenses into. The first category is the non-negotiables. Those are essentially your basic needs like rent and food. The second category are expenses that you find acceptable. These are kind of your quality of life expenses, things that make your life enjoyable. The purpose of this isn't to take enjoyment out of your life, it's to optimize the money that you spend. And the third category is the non-acceptable. An example of that for me would be Starbucks. Why would I spend the markup that Starbucks has on coffee when I can make it at home? So between your non-negotiables, your acceptable category, and your non-acceptable category, you're gonna have a comprehensive view of where you're spending your money and where you can cut your expenses. Step 3 is to optimize your expenses. What alternative options exist out there and which ones can you use? So maybe rent. Let's get more people in that house. Let's get roommates. Let's move further away from campus if you don't mind commuting. Another big one's textbooks. I work for a university and I think textbooks are a scam. I mean, $300 for a loose leaf accounting book. It doesn't even come with a binder. I have to go out and buy the binder and put the $300 loose leaf papers into the binder. No one wants to read out of a binder. I'll get off my soapbox now. And step 4 is to budget. Really create a budget for each category that your expenses fall into. Get a budget for one reason. It's gonna keep yourself accountable. It's gonna be easier to say no if that budget is holding you accountable, as opposed to not having a budget and having no clue how much money you're spending. If you track, sort, optimize, and budget your money every single month, I can guarantee that you're gonna have more money in your pocket at the end of the month. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button so I know this is the type of content you're interested in. And if you wanna be a part of our community, hit that subscribe button. I'm putting out 2 to 3 videos every single week geared towards giving you tools to succeed. I'm proud of you, I love you, and I'll see you next time.